2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class review. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is amongst the most technologically advanced cars while traveling today. Mercedes-Benz redesigned the E-Class sedan and wagon not too long ago but left the coupe and convertible alone. This year, it does not take two doors turn. The 2018 E-Class coupe and convertible are fully redesigned. They ride with a new platform and boast a much more richly designed interior and even more advanced driver safety aids. Also, Benz has had back the sedan's E63 AMG model. Now referred to as AMG E63S, it packs more power and torque coming from a new turbocharged V8 that's also more effective. On the interior, every variant on the E-Class featuring the same fantastic luxury aesthetic. As expected, there is a huge range of features available, such as latest in nearly autonomous driver features. Whether you value comfort, performance or technology with your mid-sized luxury sedan, coupe, convertible or wagon, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class must be right on top of your list. Notably, we picked the 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class as one of best AWD sedans and best mid-size sedans with this year. What's new? For 2018, the E-Class coupe and convertible are fully redesigned now match the sedan and wagon, which are redesigned this past year. There are also newer and more effective trim levels, for example the E400 sedan and high-performance AMG E63S sedan and wagon. Finally, the bottom E300 sedan and wagon receive additional standard and optional equipment this coming year. Though the common four-cylinder engine is respectably powerful and efficient, plus the AMG engines are highly impressive, the E400 for many of us E-Class pairs. You could possibly get this 329 horsepower turbocharged six-cylinder engine to all four body styles, and then there are a lot of options to select from, including a surround view camera, an alternative sound system, along with an automated parallel and perpendicular parking system. One item we specifically recommend would be the optional adaptive air suspension. The increase in ride comfort will probably be worth the cost. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is usually a mid-sized luxury vehicle. It also comes in four different body styles, a 5-passenger sedan, a 7-passenger due to a fold-down, rear-facing third-row wagon, and also a 4-passenger coupe and convertible. The sedan, coupe and convertible all come standard with rear-wheel drive with all-wheel drive dubbed 4MATIC either optional or standard, according to the engine and the body style. The four basic trim levels are stuck just using different powertrains: E300 sedan only, E400 sedan, wagon, coupe, convertible, AMG E43 sedan only and AMG E63S sedan and wagon. Standard equipment for your E-Class E300 sedan incorporates a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine, 241 horsepower, 273 lb-ft of torque, a 9-speed automatic transmission, LED headlights, automatic wipers, power folding mirrors with heating, a sunroof, selectable drive modes, an adaptive suspension, dual-zone automatic climate control, premium simulated leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, driver seat memory functions and 402/040 split-folding rear seats. Standard technology highlights for the T300 certainly are a 12.3-inch display, a rear-view camera, Mercedes Command infotainment system having a touchpad controller, voice controls, a navigation system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, HD radio as well as USB ports. The E400 gets all on the E300S equipment along with a turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 engine, 329 horsepower, 354 lb-ft. In addition to the above-mentioned, The E400 wagon has power liftgate and also the convertible turns into a power folding fabric top, Mercedes air-cap wind deflector and also a rear center pass-through. Sport and luxury versions are for sale for both the E300 and E400. The Sport is bigger wheels, a sport-tuned suspension and brakes, and special styling details. The luxury gets some additional wheel choices, upgraded upholstery plus a different grille. For one of the most part, the above-mentioned variants share optional package availability. The Premium 1 package adds a computerized parallel and perpendicular parking system, a radio phone charger, satellite radio, keyless entry, an electric trunk-lid sedan with hands-free activation, rear cross-traffic alert, heated front seats plus a Burmester surround audio system. The Premium 2 package has all on the Premium 1 package, in conjunction with adaptive headlights with automatic high beams, a perfumed air freshener system as well as a power rear sunshade sedan. The Premium 3 package has all from the above including a surround view camera system, adaptive cruise control with steering and lane change assist, a speed limit sign watcher, forward collision and rear cross-traffic warnings and mitigation, evasive steering assist, active blind spot assistance, a head-up display, and pre-safe side and rear impact preparation. Other notable options are the warmth and comfort package, rapid heating for front seats, heated front armrests, upper door panels and leader, tris and climate control, rear side airbags, an adaptive air ride suspension, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, an alternative gauge cluster display, additional sound and solar insulation, active multi-contour front seats with massage functions, as well as a couple of premium Burmester sound systems. Numerous upholstery and trim options also available. The air-scarf neck warmer can be obtained as an option with the convertible. For more power and several upgraded equipment, there is the AMG E43, which comes with most with the E400S standard equipment, plus a powerful turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 396 horsepower, 384 lb-ft, an AMG sport-tuned suspension and braking, keyless entry, blind spot monitoring, AMG-specific interior and exterior pieces, and leather upholstery. At the top in the horsepower heap may be the AMG E63S. It is the E43S equipment and also a turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 603 horsepower, 627 lb-ft, AMG-developed or tuned powertrain and suspension components, a limit-slip rear differential, and heated and ventilated front seats. It also comes standard with several on the E400S optional items. An E63S is usually outfitted with carbon ceramic brakes. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically can be purchased in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review depend on our full test with the 2017 Mercedes-Benz E300 Sport Sedan 2.0-litre turbo inline-4, 9-speed automatic, RWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the latest Mercedes-Benz E-Class has gotten some revisions, such as the redesign on the coupe and convertible variants along with some additional standard equipment with the sedan including a rear view camera. Our findings remain broadly applicable to this current year's Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Driving. Not merely a pretty face, the E300 delivers a good amount of speed, power and exhilaration in the event it counts, merging, passing, long-distance cruising or short, tight turning and curving. The Benz strikes a deft balance between genteel road manners and aggressive athletic ability. Acceleration. A turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine spools out a lot of seamless capacity to a 9-speed automatic transmission with exquisitely timed gear changes. This combo makes all the E300 feel faster in the driver's seat. PC looks written. Braking. firm pedal feel, quick bite, progressive slowing, and an abundance of confidence in stopping that you want and need it. The foot brake seems ideally matched on the Benz's power and potential. Steering. 2 driver selectable steering modes, Comfort and Sport. Comfort delivers the best balance for in-town driving and fun, winding roads. Sport feels artificially heavy, which introduces more effort and stability but doesn't enhance road feel. Handling. The Benz demonstrates excellent composure, regardless of whether whipping it laterally in quick turns. BMW and Audi have traditionally held an edge with this category, but don't. The 300 continues to be dialed in along with, or much better than, its rivals. Drivability. Adept at spirited driving or even more sedate highway travel and commuting. Remarkable dual personality. Sport Plus mode is usually a little manic, but Sport and the Comfort modes hit the sweet spots. Its 9-speed gearbox is just about the few without issues. Comfort. High performance meets high-class cabin comfort. Seat comfort is exceptional, as well as the cushioned ride, just enough firmness and keep things around the sporting side on the ledger. Road and wind noise is nicely suppressed for any serene cabin experience. Seat comfort. The seats offer exceptional shape and support. Firm, pliable, ideally fitted to long-distance drives. We did a lot more than 500 miles a single stretch without any complaints. Optional active bolstering minimizes body shift during quick, spirited romps. Ride comfort. Refined coming from all road surfaces and barely bothered by more dangerous bumps and imperfections. Our test car had the 4-corner rear suspension, a pricey, worthwhile option, though the typical steel spring suspension is not a compromise. Noise and vibration. Exceptionally quiet cabin. Engine noise is piped in from in the hood, and manufactured engine sound also comes from the speakers. A gimmick, yes, it also gives the turbo 4-cylinder a weighty, substantial growl lacking by itself. Climate control. Classy presentation. Circular vents with no metal open-close knobs feel substantial, a vital detail within this class of car. There are 6 vents at the start and rear console vents for rear seat passengers. Interior. First-rate interior throughout, distinguished by design. While the Audi A6 is modern cool, the Benz is timeless class. While the BMW 5 Series favors space and logic, the Benz is sensual and aesthetic. Upholstery, touch points, surfaces, infotainment system integration, all top shelf. Ease people. Optional dual high resolution, tablet-style displays bring all conceivable car information to your driver's distinctive line of sight. An intuitive touch-sensitive palm rest and knob array controls most systems. Buttons remain for the majority of common functions. Getting in, jetting out. Easy front seat entry and exit, with wide door aperture. Coupe-like styling means taller passengers need to stoop slightly to get involved with their rear seats, but there's a good amount of room back following that they do. Driving position. Power tilt and telescoping tire and broad range of seat adjustments mean no trouble choosing a good position for brief, medium or tall drivers. Roominess. More than 36 inches of rear legroom means a 6-foot passenger can sit comfortably behind a 6-foot driver. Plenty of shoulder and hip room. A sloping roofline consumes some rear headroom, yet not enough to bother most taller passengers. Visibility. A sloping roofline and wide rear pillars inhibit some rear corner visibility, but wide, level window lines get this to an easy car to find out of. It's easy to quickly assess a blind spot before a lane change or when reversing. Quality. High standard of fit and finished, what others try to emulate. Narrow panel gaps, flush and precise fitments. Buttons, dials and switches all have a very solid feel and heft. This car and cabin are meant to last. Utility. Trunk space with the newest E-Class sedan is slightly below the course average, but a 40-2040 split folding rear seat is rare and enables maximize cargo versatility. Small item storage. Plenty of in-car storage. The door side pockets feature molded cavities for any 1-liter bottle. The center console arrest lid is split by 50%. Each lid hinged about the side with soft open-close separate from each other. A nice detail. Cargo space. With 13.1 cubic feet of trunk space, the 300 has slightly less volume than its closest competition. The 40-2040 split folding rear seat, however, offers a degree of flexibility that almost all sedans lack. Technology. The E-Class has traditionally served to be a canvas for Mercedes-Benz's latest innovations. With a 12-inch higher-resolution info display, touch-sensitive leader controls, wireless smartphone charging, as well as a dozen various driver aids and safety systems, this 10th gun model isn't different. Audio and navigation. Exceptional Burmester surround sound stereo audio, a couple of available, is often a bargain for the price the top-end system features in roof speakers. Standard navigation also impressive, especially when beamed via 12-inch widescreen display. Smartphone integration. No complications with standard Bluetooth connections. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard and are expected. Navigating in and away from CarPlay will get annoying. It's good for power voice to texters, but we found it troublesome from time to time. Driver aids. World-class level semi-autonomous driving. Various connected systems steer, accelerate, brake, and also park in your case. The driver needs and then touch the tire at regular intervals. System trips up at higher speeds on curvier roads, nevertheless for urban highway and commuting, it's ideal.